Ever wondered what happens when you step into a magical jungle? Loukya and Madhav are about to find out. Loukya and Madhav tiptoed through the jungle, eyes wide with wonder. Suddenly, a parrot named Pico flew down and squawked, "Welcome! Welcome!" The trees seemed to whisper secrets, and butterflies danced around them in a rainbow of colors. "Look, Loukya!" Madhav pointed to a family of monkeys swinging from the vines, chattering with excitement. The jungle was alive with magic. From behind a bush, a tiger named Tara appeared, her stripes gleaming. "Join our feast!" she roared softly, leading them to a clearing where animals had gathered. Elephants trumpeted, birds sang, and even the sloth waved a lazy hello. Loukya and Madhav giggled and joined the celebration, feeling like the jungle was welcoming them with open arms. In this enchanted jungle, every creature became a friend, and Loukya and Madhav knew they'd never forget this magical day.